all can come now in the front. Also, you too, right?
Yes.
You can just stand. You can go in.
Thank you.
Hello! You picked the perfect day to visit. We're smurfing a new blockbuster movie starring Smurfette. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got space Smurfs, jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Oh, everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Andy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurfette. And I'm the star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director. I'm going to be the star of their movie. Lights, camera, we're rolling film, and action!
Hurry! Look at the devil is going to Smurf down.
After I catch you, I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, they're not in this scene.
This time I know I'm dying.
We're rolling.
Untouchable me, vile fiend. You call this hospitality? Start this, vicious beastie.
I can't be the star. Then I'll ruin this picture. Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa. I just have to take care of the
Next time, I will be the star.
Gargamel helped me discover new stars.
It was great to work with you. Let's do lunch.
We'll see you in the movie.